Hey there! Think you need thousands of dollars to start investing? Think again. In this video, I'll show you how you can start investing with less than $100 a month. Yes, really. Let's break the myth and get your money working for you. Why investing small still matters. You might be wondering, is $100 a month even worth it? The answer is absolutely yes. Thanks to compound interest, small amounts can grow into something big over time. Let's do the math. If you invest $100 a month for 20 years, with a 7% return, you will end up with $50,000. So, where can you put your money? Option 1. ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These are low-cost diversified investments, and with fractional shares, you can get started with just a few bucks. Option 2. Micro-investing apps. Apps like Acorns, Stash, or Robinhood let you invest small amounts, automatically or manually. Great if you're just getting started and want something simple. Option 3. Robo-advisors. Platforms like Betterment or Wealthfront create and manage a custom portfolio for you. No stress, no need to pick individual stocks. Some even have no minimum investment. Bonus option: invest in yourself. Books, online courses, skills. These can give you massive returns in the long run. Spending $20 on your personal growth is a smart investment. Tips to get started. Here is how to make it work. Automate everything. Set up a recurring transfer so you don't have to think about it. Start small, but start now. Even $25 a month is a win. Be consistent. The market rewards patience, not perfection. Don't try to time the market. Time in the market beats timing the market. Remember, it's not about the amount, it's about the habit. So, can you invest with less than $100 a month? 100% yes. And starting today is the best move you can make. If this video helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Financial Pills for more bite-sized financial tips.